Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And today we're drawing Rayman of Rayman Legends. So we know that Rayman, he has a body but his limbs are just floating around. So his hands aren't attached to his body. His body is separate from his head and his hands and his feet.
And a leg.
Yeah. So what we're doing, we're drawing his hand first. So down here the middle, a bit to the left, we're going to draw a little diagonal line going like that.
Okay.
And we curl this line around till about there.
Okay.
We bring this line in and just like that. And we make a little arc on that side, just a little line, okay. Now we draw another finger, it's actually another finger, just squarish shape and connect it there. And yeah, we complete that line, we can join that line there. And now we draw a long line going out that goes around and back down here, just like that. You got it? Okay. And another line going out, coming out, down again, and around. So it's a peace sign. He's doing that. Okay, you've got it. Yeah, that's right. That's showing a peace sign. That's correct. Okay, so that's his hand. Because Rayman's loose. Remember, his parts are separate.
Yeah.
And now we're going to draw his face. His face is going to be slightly difficult, but challenging. So from the midpoint of our page now, where we would usually start, we're drawing a line going out like that. We're going to bring that same line around down to a point here, and we're just bringing it back. Okay, and now we can draw a shape going like that over, and we make two eyebrows. And we bring it down. You see? And we draw a bigger eye and a tiny eye. Okay. From this line, we're going to draw a smile. We're going to make like that. And we bring that back down. And curl it around, follow the shape back up there till there where the smile started. So now we're going to do some of his hair, and his hair is big and wild. So we're going to do two tufts of hair over here. So we make that line there, a curly line, and then we do one and two. Correct? Now we're going to come over the top here with one going like that. Another one like that. You see, we're just adding tufts of hair.
Yeah.
And we'll do that. And we make one more here. You got it?
Yeah.
And we can connect that line. And then we can extend another tuft of hair there and there. And a little one and bring it back. So it's got double hair there.
Yeah.
And we must draw a little line going across here, just like that, because his nose is a different color to his face and his hair. You got that? Okay, so now down here in
the teeth.
the bottom right, we're going to draw the other hand first, then we'll draw the T-shirt fitting in between the two.
No, I did the teeth.
Oh, the teeth. Yes, oh sorry, his teeth. A line down and a little smiley line. And there we go, that's Rayman's face. Smiling now. Okay, so down here we are drawing, down here about, we're drawing an upside down U shape
Upside down, you say?
Yep. And we can add a finger to that. You got yours? Add a finger to it. Now from the tip of that finger, we extend out slightly, bring it back, and we draw another finger going back there. And we add a third finger. So it's another hand with 3 fingers. Okay, so now we know his t-shirt's gonna fit in here.
Yeah.
So we've got the hood on. So for the hood, look at me. We're drawing a little arc shape there.
Arc shape.
And a line going up. And then we draw a line going this way. Just all there. And now from inside here, we bring a shape, we mimic that, and we loop it back. Okay, you see we made a triangle. Now we take the tip of the triangle and you take it out.
Yeah.
Okay, and we take this line and we make a little bump there in the hood and we bring it down like that. So now from here, from this point, we draw a little line connecting that there still. But then from there, we draw a line going back down. And from the front, just on the side of the point, we draw another line coming out there. And it's his floating clothes. And we connect that line going down there with a slightly curved line. And there we have it, that's his top with his hoodie on. And there's a 0 on his shirt, so we can make O. Yeah. And follow through on the O. Here we go. That's cool. See your Rayman's body parts are floating, let me see. There we go. So now we're going to draw his shoes. So we draw at the bottom here a flat line.
A flat line.
And on this left hand side, we draw another flat line.
Okay.
So for this foot, we're going up and longish out and down. See, they're like a loaf shape.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. And for this one, it's more round, not as long a loaf. There we, yeah, that's perfect. There we go. And so we're going to draw soles on those, the soles of the shoes. And for this one, we're drawing a diagonal line going up, just touching there. And for this one, we're drawing a line coming down there. And okay, that line can go straight down. Yeah, correct. And there we have it, that's Rayman's body, well, his floating body and his head.
Yes.
That's correct. So now, time to color. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's Rayman with his floating hands and feet,
Yes.
with his little body floating in the middle,
And a head.
and his head. You like Rayman the game? Which one is your favorite? Which character?
Rayman.
Rayman himself.
Yes.
I like it that the girl with the axe. I don't know what the name is.
Well, you might type it in on Google.
Let's type it in Google and find out what the name is. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Yes.